Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at Canva plugin. So I know Canva basically is what you can use to create images for your social media posts, be it Instagram or people use it to create thumbnails for YouTube, or you can create a presentation for work or school, or you can also do multiple things like create brochures and other stuff. So basically today what we are looking at is the Canva plugin in ChatGPT. So it allows you to search for Canva templates based on brief descriptions of what you provide. It can be various types of designs. So we are going to look at a couple of examples. So you can specify based on country code. So if you want English, UK or India, or you want to search for something in Mandarin in China, so whatever Canva supports, you can look for it. Or if you're looking for French, German, anything, you can do it. Similarly, template search. So you can create Instagram post for a product, brochure for an Italian restaurant, etc. You can look into all of it. So it will provide you a list of searches that match your criteria. So let's look at it. Let's look at some example. So the first one is, before we look at it, we need to first enable it. So you guys already know it. If not, it's just a quick reminder. So go to your plugin store and click on Canva, install this plugin. I've already installed it, and once you install it, you have to enable it. That's also done for me. And suggest me some YouTube thumbnails templates. So yeah, you will get the example here. And if you're not happy with this, you can go and actually edit it. So I know that thumbnails do matter for your videos on views it gets. So getting this right does matter a lot to many YouTubers. If you have gone through YouTube's, you know the importance of thumbnails, especially for the long videos, and even for shorts people use it. So that's totally up to you. And once that is done here, so if you just click on view templates, if you don't like what's auto generated, you can edit it in Canva here. So that's basically the part. I won't go into the Canva part. I think you guys know how to use Canva. If not, you can you can just leave a message. I'll make a brief video or send you up, share the link wherein you can learn about how to use Canva. And the next one is Instagram. So let's assume you hit 1 million subscribers on Twitter, or even 100 subscribers on Twitter, whatever milestone for you is. So it's different for different people. So basically, let's say I can just ask it to subscriber milestone on Instagram. Okay, so it's gonna give you some suggestions here. So thank you, 50k followers, everything. So you can always edit it to whatever number you want. Yeah, I can just go here. If I don't like 50k, I can change it to 100 maybe. Okay, I can just change it to, let's say, 400. Right, I can change it to 400, or you can change it to 50, whatever number you want, you can change it. So that's up to you. And yeah, this is also what it took. So the date where you hit the subscriber count, if you are celebrating some larger milestone, you can do that too, if you know the date. So that's basically the part. And the third one is logos. So you can just say, give me ideas for logos, and you should get it. Yeah, and these are not all the things you can do in Canva. You can do many more. I'm just giving you some ideas. So it would be a very long video if you go through all the stuff you can do with Canva. That itself will be a course, but we are just going through stuff you can potentially do for most of the common use cases. And yeah, and as usual, you can go on view template and change it if you don't like what you are seeing. And after this, brochure. So let's assume that you're planning to start a restaurant and you need a menu. So I would say, I am planning to start an Italian restaurant. So give me a brochure. So after this, we are going to look at the next one, wherein I'll just give you some rough idea how you can use it, or we can just look it up here. So basically, if you enable Canva access link and walk script here, or Canva, Google search, or Keymate, any other plugins you have, and you can ask it to give a list of popular codes, and you can print it, or you can print some popular codes in here and change it. So that's the other idea I wanted to show. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I wanted to cover from this. And yeah, so you got the menu here, and if you just click on this, you can just go change it, and that's your restaurant menu. So yeah, you can just change whatever items you want, the price, whatever you want. If you don't like it, you can change it too. So that's as easy as to start a restaurant. If you don't know, if you don't want to hire graphic designers on Fiverr to create it, you just want something that works for you, this is an option you can do. And yeah, basically that's all I wanted to cover with Canva. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.